today I'm going to teach you about our daily routine. Okay, so I hope you are watching my video until the end. I hope you will be able to get a lot of things from this video. Okay, so let's get started. Like right now I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. After that I say my fajr prayer, or you can say another word, I perform my fajr prayer. After saying my fajr prayer, I go outside. For a while. Okay, then I walk for a while. Or you can say I walk a little bit. After walking a little bit, I return my home. After returning my home, I sleep for a while. After that I go to washroom. And get fresh. Then I brush my teeth. And rinse my mouth. After that I splash. Water on my face and I wash hands and face. Then I have my breakfast at 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Then I get ready and I leave my home in order to go to office. Okay. And I go outside, and after going outside I call a rickshaw. After calling a rickshaw, I ask him how much is the fare to the Motizil. He is asking for 100 taka. Okay. In this way, you will arrange your conversation on your own will. Okay. So I hope you have been able to get my words from this video. Okay. So আজকের জন্য বন্ধুরা এই পর্যন্তই। সবাই ভালো থাকেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।